Yeah, my main goal when I go out to a job site is just to be honest with the customer. You know, if they don't need a new driveway, I'm gonna flat out tell them they don't need a new driveway, or at least they can get a few more years left out of the driveway. Or if we can repair it, you know, that's the route we're gonna go. We're never gonna try to take money from people or try to upsell. You know, I'll always try to help the customer and get them what they want, but never gonna try to take any money and upsell anything.
For us, providing a product that is extremely beneficial to the homeowner, it really appeals to what we're trying to do here at J&W. Yes, we can replace that driveway. We're going to put in a beautiful driveway, but we don't need to do it needlessly. Once somebody has decided to go with J&W, it's always nice for them to really know that we're not going anywhere. We've been in the industry for over 45 years, and we're going to be here for another 45 or better. It's our hope to be able to provide a very good product from the get-go, but for them to know that once that transaction is done, we're not walking away. We are always going to be here.
Yeah, I just enjoy talking to people. It's a great time just being able to talk to people, be honest with people, and help them out.
If you're looking for an estimate to replace or repair your driveway this spring, the process here at J&W Asphalt is really quite simple. We take your information, send it off to one of our qualified estimators, and they will give you a call and set up a time to meet with you if you would like. Otherwise, if it's a pretty straightforward job, they can stop out, gather their information, square footage of the driveway, take a few pictures, and hopefully get you that estimate within a day or two.